Hey guys, it's me, Danus, with yet another video. This video is all about colors, color correction and color grading. I will try to explain the difference between these two phrases. Honestly, when I started working with videos and learning to color it, at first I did not understood the difference between color grading and color correction. After quite some time spending on learning it, it's time to explain the difference between it as simple as possible. Color correction refers to adjusting white and black levels, exposure, contrast, and white balance to give an image with an accurate, unprocessed seeming colors. The point of color correction is to ensure that subsequent color adjustments have more precision and don't yield unintended results. The other purpose of color correction is to create a visual consistency for your footage and scenes, or in other words, to make it match for better flow. If everything is done correctly, you can achieve the following: true levels and colors of the video, accurate and effective adjustments, visual consistency throughout the scenes. Color correction is the foundation for a video. If the white of the video isn't really true white, but rather more beige, any adjustment you make to the video will be incorrect. For color correction in Adobe Premiere, there is a separate tab called Basic Correction. To get this tab, simply go to Color panel or apply Limit Recolor effect on the video clip. In this tab, it is possible to adjust white balance, like temperature and tint, tone effects, like exposure, contrast, whites, blacks, shadows, and etc. In-depth guide for color correction will be in the next video. Color grading refers to the stylized color scheme of the footage. This can be super extreme like with the many popular films, or it can be rather subtle so as to achieve color fidelity like with nature documentaries. With color grading, it is possible to achieve the following: stylize the color scheme of the footage, evoke emotions, and transform footage to the final look. This is different from color correction because it must go after color correcting. Color grading will help you to achieve the look and the mood of the clip you want. In Adobe Premiere, it is possible to make a color grading using Creative tab, Color Wheels, HSL secondary tab, or simply by applying LUT. In-depth guide will be in the other video. Hope this was useful. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.